Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will explore advanced concepts of Delta Live Tables, DLT, in Databricks, with a focus on complex transformations, data quality enforcement, and production-grade pipeline management. Delta Live Tables simplify the creation of reliable data pipelines by automatically managing dependencies, execution order, monitoring, and error handling. Understanding advanced DLT concepts is extremely important for interviews, as it demonstrates your ability to build scalable, maintainable, and trustworthy data engineering solutions in enterprise environments. Key points covered in this subtopic include advanced transformations, expectations, pipeline modes, monitoring, error handling, schema evolution, and performance optimization. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured learning of Databricks concepts. What are Delta Live Tables in Databricks? Delta Live Tables are a managed framework in Databricks for building reliable data pipelines. They allow developers to define transformations using SQL or Python in a declarative way. The framework automatically manages execution order and dependencies between tables. This approach reduces manual orchestration and improves pipeline reliability. What is meant by advanced transformations in Delta Live Tables? Advanced transformations include complex joins, aggregations, window functions, and multi-stage processing. These transformations can be applied incrementally as new data arrives. DLT ensures transformations are applied consistently across pipeline runs. This enables scalable and maintainable enterprise-grade data pipelines. How does Delta Live Tables manage pipeline dependencies? Dependencies are automatically inferred from table definitions. Developers do not need to manually specify execution order. Databricks ensures upstream tables are updated before downstream tables run. This reduces errors caused by incorrect task sequencing. What are DLT pipeline modes? Delta Live Tables support continuous and triggered pipeline modes. Continuous mode processes data in near real time as new data arrives. Triggered mode runs pipelines on demand or on a schedule. Choosing the correct mode depends on latency and business requirements. What are expectations in Delta Live Tables? Expectations are data quality rules defined on tables or columns. They validate incoming data against business rules automatically. Invalid records can be dropped, quarantined, or logged. Expectations help maintain trustworthy and clean datasets. How do expectations improve data quality? They enforce constraints such as non-null values or valid ranges. Data quality issues are detected early in the pipeline. Bad data is prevented from flowing into downstream systems. This improves confidence in analytics and reporting. What happens when data violates expectations? DLT can drop invalid records automatically. It can redirect invalid data to a quarantine table. Pipeline metrics capture data quality violations. Teams can monitor and fix issues proactively. How does Delta Live Tables support schema evolution? DLT can automatically handle changes in input schema. New columns can be added without breaking pipelines. Schema enforcement ensures incompatible changes are detected. This makes pipelines resilient to evolving data sources. How does Delta Live Tables handle incremental processing? Only new or changed data is processed in each pipeline run. This improves performance and reduces compute cost. Incremental logic is managed automatically by the framework. Pipelines scale efficiently with growing data volumes. What is the difference between materialized views and streaming tables in DLT? Materialized views process data in batch mode. Streaming tables process data continuously from streaming sources. Both are managed using the same declarative syntax. This unifies batch and streaming pipeline development. How does Delta Live Tables integrate with Delta Lake? All DLT tables are stored as Delta tables. Delta Lake provides ACID transactions and versioning. Time travel allows inspection of historical pipeline outputs. This ensures reliability and auditability of data pipelines. How does DLT support pipeline monitoring? Built-in UI provides visibility into pipeline execution status. Metrics show processed records, errors, and latency. Data quality metrics highlight expectation violations. Monitoring helps teams quickly identify and resolve issues. How are errors handled in Delta Live Tables pipelines? Errors are captured and logged automatically. Pipelines can be configured to stop or continue on failure. Detailed error messages help with troubleshooting. This reduces operational effort in managing pipelines. How does Delta Live Tables simplify ETL development? Developers focus only on transformation logic. Infrastructure management is handled by Databricks. Dependency resolution and retries are automated. This significantly reduces pipeline complexity. Can Delta Live Tables be used for streaming use cases? Yes. DLT natively supports streaming data sources. It processes streaming data with exactly once semantics. Streaming pipelines benefit from built-in fault tolerance. This makes DLT suitable for real-time data platforms. How does DLT improve pipeline reliability? Automated dependency management prevents execution errors. Built-in retries handle transient failures. Data quality rules prevent corrupt data propagation. Reliability is improved without additional custom logic. How does DLT support multi-layered architectures? Pipelines can be organized into bronze, silver, and gold layers. Each layer performs specific transformation responsibilities. Dependencies between layers are automatically managed. This enforces clean and modular pipeline design. How does Delta Live Tables handle scalability? Pipelines run on scalable Databricks clusters. Compute resources can be adjusted based on workload. Incremental processing minimizes unnecessary computation. This supports enterprise-scale data volumes efficiently. How does DLT integrate with Unity Catalog? DLT tables can be governed using Unity Catalog. Access controls define who can read or modify tables. Lineage tracks how data flows through pipelines. This ensures security and compliance at scale. How does Delta Live Tables help with auditability? All pipeline runs are logged and traceable. Table versions can be inspected using Delta Lake time travel. Data quality metrics provide audit evidence. This is essential for regulated industries. How does DLT reduce operational overhead? No manual scheduling or orchestration is required. Monitoring and alerting are built in. Error handling is standardized across pipelines. Teams spend less time maintaining pipelines. Can DLT pipelines be deployed across environments? Pipelines can be promoted from development to production. Configuration changes are environment-specific. Code reuse ensures consistency across environments. This supports enterprise DevOps practices. How does Delta Live Tables support collaboration? Pipeline code can be version controlled using Databricks repos. Teams can review and improve transformations together. Standardized patterns improve maintainability. Collaboration leads to higher quality data pipelines. What are common interview questions around Delta Live tables? Interviewers ask about expectations and data quality rules. They focus on differences between DLT and traditional ETL. Questions often include pipeline modes and monitoring. Clear understanding demonstrates real-world Databricks expertise. Why should Databricks professionals master advanced DLT concepts? Advanced knowledge enables building production-ready pipelines. It ensures high data quality and reliability. Professionals can design scalable and maintainable architectures. DLT expertise is highly valued in Databricks interviews and projects. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.